The next eruption in Iceland is just around the corner. With each passing day, the likelihood of an eruption increases. As we kick off 2024, there is a high chance that this could be the first eruption in Iceland of 2024. New cracks are being discovered near the town of Grindavik, and the magma dike under this area of the Reykjanes Peninsula is continuing to show signs of magma accumulation. Uplift is occurring in the area, and the land has reached a similar height to what it was before the previous eruption on December 18th. What does this all mean? In short, this means that the situation looks to be a repeat of the previous eruption, and the chance of another eruption is high. The most likely eruption site is the same area of the previous eruption, the crater Row northeast of Grindavik and east of the Blue Lagoon and geothermal power plant. The Blue Lagoon remains closed after opening for just 2 days prior to the previous eruption and has remained closed since that eruption. According to their website, the situation will be reassessed tomorrow on January 3rd, and they will determine if they are going to reopen or extend the closure. The previous closure cost the Blue Lagoon around 4 billion Icelandic krona, or around $30 million US, so it is understandable that they are trying to reopen as soon as possible, but at the same time prioritizing safety. The location of the eruption has been kind to the surrounding area, with the Blue Lagoon, geothermal power plant, and the town of Grindavik being spared from the magma flows, though the earthquakes and ground uplift have damaged roads and infrastructure in those areas, especially in the town of Grindavik. The ground uplift slowed down before the previous eruption, so if we have a similar repeat, then an eruption may not happen immediately as we wait for the ground uplift to slow down a bit. However, nothing is certain, and it is possible that we could have another eruption any minute now.